徛在地看世界，来看美国的总统大选。民主党的拜登摕到超过270张的选举人票当选总统，但是对手川普不认败选，要来寻求法律的诉讼，保住家己的总统的大位。像乔治亚这州，都因为2个人的票数伤过接近，讲要用手工重新过来算票。川普嘛，伫拜登宣布胜选了后，第一开公开参加活动。
美国总统川普和夫人梅兰妮亚去维吉尼亚州的阿灵顿国家公墓纪念天我的军人节，这是头一摆公开的行程。
After attending a Veterans Day ceremony, Trump huddling with advisors again today to discuss a path forward to contest the election, offering no signs he plans to concede.
就算对手拜登已经发表当选的演说，不过川普无感觉意输，嘛要求有的所在爱定算票。乔治亚州就因为2个人的票数受过外，州务卿拉芬斯伯格的宣布用手工来定算票。
It's been rigged from the beginning, rigged from the laws that were being passed in the name of COVID to create a porous election.
拜登的团隊已經準備好勢，佢登記顧問克萊恩賣做白宮的幕僚長。每一個討人嘛攏打電話甲拜登恭喜。
I had and have a good relationship with the previous president. I am delighted to find the many areas in which the incoming Biden-Harris administration is able to make common cause with us.
那强森和拜登通过電話，日本首相嘛已經打電話給拜登過，確認兩國關係重要性，甲實現自由開放的印太地區這個目標。